Babulal uncle, I'm going to bring sister Nipa right away. Can't waste any more time.
Answer the phone, Nipa. Nipa, answer the phone now at least. What's taking you so long, Nipa?
Hey Shri,
Yes.
brother said had called up. They have already left the place. You come downstairs.
What? But Nipa hasn't reached home yet.
What? You mean Nipa hasn't come home? She is not back from parlor yet?
Oh no.
Did you call her?
I'm trying her number.
Strange, mom told me she's back from parlor.
I told Aunt Sulata so. Grandma was so tense that I couldn't find any other way to pacify her. And you all were outside. What could I do? Lord knows why Nipa insisted on going to the parlor to get her makeup done. Mithai is also impossible, you know. If anyone asks for something, she has to fulfill their demands. She doesn't even have a phone with her to...
What are you saying? Brother said already gifted a phone to her.
Amid so much work, I couldn't activate her phone.
Hey, the guests have already started to arrive. Why are you two still here? I'm sure Nipa is in her room. The girl is never done with her makeup. I couldn't come here since morning. How could I leave so much work to Nanda and come here? What's the matter? Why are you two staring at me? Am I looking fine?
Aunt Appa.
Yes.
Aunt Appa, Nipa had gone to the parlor along with Mithai.
Yes.
They have taken the family car, but they haven't reached yet. And she's not answering the calls.
So try one more time. Mithai doesn't have a phone. So call Nipa once again.
Aunt Appa,
Yes?
I've called up Nipa more than 30 times, but she isn't taking my calls. I don't know what to do.
Ratul and his family will arrive any moment now. Aunt will ask about Nipa. Since grandma was worried, Shri lied to her that Nipa is back home. Thankfully, everybody is busy downstairs, or else by now...
What a disaster. You have done something terrible, Shri. I'm going numb with fear. Wait, Shri. Which beauty parlor have they gone to?
She went to the one she generally visits.
Yes, so...
Shall I call up
Yes,
the
yes,
parlor?
call them up.
Do you have the number?
I will search for it.
Oh, Lord. I hope everything is fine. Lord, please protect us. Did you find it?
Yes, I found it. This is the number.
Call up. Speak to them.
Hello? Someone named Srinipa Modak has come to your parlor for her bridal makeup. What? What do you mean?
What did they say?
They said Nipa didn't reach there. What does that mean?
What are you saying, Shri?
Mithai also doesn't have the phone with her. Oh, Sid gave her a phone, then why didn't I activate it for her? Oh.
What will happen now? Tell me. What will happen now?
I don't know, Aunt Appa.
Appa, where are you? Come downstairs. The groom has arrived.
No, ma'am, you must be making a mistake. Because I'm the one who is supposed to come and pick Sister Nipa up. Please let me go inside once. Please let me go inside and check myself.
No, ma'am, please listen to me. No bridal makeup is going on here. Only one person had come here for bridal makeup. Look here. We have entered her name over here. The name is Srinipa Modak.
Yes.
But she left a long time ago. A car had come to pick her up.
Car? What car? Who can pick her up? No, this isn't possible.
Ma'am, please listen to me. Please calm down. Please go back home. She might have reached home by now. And she didn't even take any bridal makeup service. She went back home.
But how is this possible? I'm supposed to take Sister Nipa home. Who can come from home to pick her up? Did anyone come to pick her up since it was getting late? Oh Lord, I don't even have my phone with me. How will I ask anyone now? Oh Lord, please make sure that nothing goes wrong. Lord, help, Lord, help.
Ratul, finally the day has arrived. It's my long-cherished desire to welcome you home as my son-in-law.
Yes, that's right. Aunt Sulata, I'll be continuously taking photos. Please give me the right pose.
The wedding will happen just once, so every moment is special. I can't miss clicking any of those. What do you say, Siddharth?
Strange. You have been talking for so long.
Honestly, Rajiv, Ratul has become completely silent.
Oh, yes. He's the groom. How can he speak? Okay, listen, I got to know that you managed to record the turmeric ceremony of this family. So, will you please record the videos of the wedding as well? Actually, we have to record everything properly and hand them over to Nipa. She'll be uploading those on her social media account. Later, if she comes to know that there is no video recording of her wedding rituals, then she will not spare me.
No, Rajiv. How can she do that?
Why? What happened?
The relationship changes now. You are Atul's elder brother after all. You must remember that. Hey Nanda, please go inside and bring the conch. It's getting late. Mom is busy making preparations at the wedding venue. And your mom isn't lending a hand in our family weddings preparation this time. Please go inside. Because of the pandemic, we are so short of people.
Is it kept inside?
Go, bring it. It's kept
Sure.
over there.
Yes, I will take the photos. Let me first take one from this angle. Ratul, look at the camera. Yes.
Take
very
nice
good.
photos of my son-in-law. Blow the conch.
Okay.
Let me change the angle.
Have a long life, my son. Nanda, keep this tray inside and bring the sweets, please.
Sure.
Ratul, touch her feet and seek blessings.
Oh, let it be, son. It's okay. It's okay. Have a long and prosperous life. You know what, Ratul? My Nipa is too childish. You will only have to take care of her. And one more thing. If I have said anything which has hurt you regarding quitting your job, then please don't mind, Ratul. I hope you understand that Nipa is my only daughter. I am...
Aunt, why are you saying all this, please? Don't worry at all. From now onwards, Nipa is my responsibility. I'll take care of her. I promise you that I'll try my best to keep her well. I promise you that.
And Sulata, now feed sweets to your son-in-law and welcome him inside.
Here you are, Sandy. Where were you? Listen to me. Come here. Siddharth has recorded everything. Siddharth, show the videos to him. You must see what promises Ratul made to his mother-in-law. Show it to him. Come on.
Give it to me. And now,
Time for feeding sweets
eat
to the
some
groom.
sweets.
Mm.
Okay. No, only sweet won't do. He needs to eat some sweet curd as well. It's auspicious to eat curd.
Oh my, Aunt Sulata, you are going out of the way.
Rajiv, don't be jealous. Look, your mother-in-law values you so much. So why would your brother's mother-in-law lag behind?
Okay, the photos didn't come well. Please repeat the action.
Let's
of
do
feeding
it one more
sweets.
time.
Come with me. Please,
What
brother, come
happened?
with me.
Sandy, what happened? Tell me, please. Shri, what happened? What's the matter?
Sid, please do something. Please bring Nipa from wherever you can, please.
What is she saying?
Brother Sid, we don't have any news about Nipa. I will explain you everything. Actually, Nipa insisted on going to the parlor to get her bridal makeup done. Grandma tried to stop her. We also tried to stop her, but she convinced Grandpa somehow. She said that she will take Mithai along with her.
Shri?
She's not picking up calls.
Hey Shri, you said that Nipa had taken her wedding attire along with her, but she has left it at home.
Aunt Appa,
Yes.
the sari. But she had packed the suitcase herself.
One second. What happened? Nipa has left her wedding dress at home, right? I mean, what exactly is happening here? And why haven't you activated Mithai's phone yet? Shri, I can't understand anything. Mithai can't take care of herself, yet she volunteered to take care of Nipa. I'm sure you don't even know which parlor they've gone to.
I thought that she must have gone to the parlor she usually goes to.
Now what? Ratul and his family members are here. Okay, they took the family car, right?
Yes. Is that right, Shri?
Yes, they have taken the family car.
So why didn't you call Babulal yet?
Oh, yes. It didn't occur to any one of us. I'll call him right away.
I just don't understand this. Why did she leave behind this attire at home? Tell me. She went to the parlor to deck up, but she left her wedding attire at home. My limbs are going numb out of fear. What will happen now, Shri? Tell me. Don't cry. Oh Lord, please protect us from every trouble. Please.
Babulal uncle.
What happened? Where is Nipa? Why are you alone?
Babulal uncle, I'm totally clueless. The lady at the beauty parlor told me that Sister Nipa had gone somewhere. They told me that a car had come to pick Sister Nipa up and she left in that car. She didn't even get her bridal makeup done. Did her family send the car? Who could come to pick her up? I don't even have my phone with me. Yes, you have your phone with you, right?
Yes, I do. Here you go. Take it.
Give me.
Take it.
Brother Sandeep is calling you. Yes. Yes, Brother Sandeep. Did Sister Nipa reach home? Who had come to pick her up? Please tell me where is Nipa?
Mithai, what are you saying, Mithai? Nipa is supposed to be at the parlor. Where are you?
Hello? Yeah, Mithai. Yeah, where's Nipa?
Sister Nipa didn't go back home. But the lady at the beauty parlor told me that Sister Nipa had left in a car long ago. She didn't allow me to go inside the parlor also. She asked me to visit the shop. I didn't want her to go, but she forced me. But if Sister Nipa hasn't gone home, then where is she? Where is Sister Nipa? Where is Sister Nipa?
Mithai, listen, stop
What
crying,
is she
okay?
saying? What is Mithai saying, Sid? Where is Nipa? Give me the phone, please.
Just stop crying. Please stop crying, yeah? Aunt, please take care of
Yes.
her. Yeah? Hello? Yes, Mithai. Give the phone to Babulal. And listen, stay wherever you are. Is that clear? Give the phone to Babulal.
I'll give it to Babulal uncle, please.
Yes, give me. Yes, sir.
Babulal, where exactly are you right now? Tell me. I can't talk for long on the phone. Tell me where you are. I'll be there in the next 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Lord, please help.
Okay. Yeah.
What did she say? Said,
Sandy, please don't react, yeah? Nipa had entered the parlor, but now she's not there.
what do you mean? Where did the girl go?
Aunt, please don't react, please. Look, the receptionist at the beauty parlor told Mithai that a car came and picked Nipa up.
What?
I'll see what I can do. I'm going to the spot and then I'll take a decision. Please don't react this way. And listen, Grandpa shouldn't come to know anything, otherwise he might fall sick. Look, Aunt, the wedding is happening among relatives. Things can become dirty. Shri, just stop crying. Stop crying.
Brother Sid, I'll also come with you.
Sandy, I'll go alone. Sandy, don't argue over this. Listen, if we both go, everyone will become suspicious and I don't want that. You stay here and handle the situation. I'll go there and see what can be done. Don't tell anyone anything unless I call you. Is that clear? Let me handle the situation, okay? Aunt, please take care of Shri and handle the situation well, okay? Okay, Sandy.
What if Aunt Sushmita looks for Mithai then?
If Aunt looks for Mithai, then tell her that she's in the kitchen area, okay? Look, Shri, I'm doing everything possible. I'm handling it. If required, I'll call Rudra and take his help, okay? You all please handle the situation wisely. Please, don't panic, yeah? And if uncle or aunt asks anything, then tell them you don't know anything, okay? They should not know anything. Be careful, okay?
I just don't understand. Nipa? Where can Nipa probably go? Lord, a big disaster has struck us. What was Mithai doing?
Aunt Appa, did Nipa get into any trouble?
What?
Why did I forcefully go with them? Why did I not accompany
No, Shri.
them?
Calm down. Quiet now. Quiet, please.
Oh Lord, help. No, should we come to Sister Nipa? She should be fine, Lord. I'll be finished otherwise. How will I face grandfather, Lord? Lord, help. No, should be false, Sister Nipa. Sister Nipa should be all right. Lord, Sister Nipa should be all right, Lord. Please help. Please help, Lord. She should be all right. Lord, help. Lord, help. Lord, help. Help.
Mithai, tell me everything from the beginning. Be clear.
Yeah, okay, telling. I brought Sister Nipa to this beauty parlor.
Look, sitting at the reception of the parlor for 2 to 3 hours is something impossible for you. Instead, you can go and visit the outlets and come back by 5:30 p.m. I'll be done by then.
And you left her alone. Mithai, there are so many guests at home. The groom and the family is also there. Isn't it Nipa's wedding today? Huh? You all consider wedding a sacred ritual, don't you? What happened? You left the bride alone and went away, right?
You have to believe me, I didn't want to leave her alone, really. Babulal uncle has heard our conversation. Ask him once.
Mithai, Nipa is a kid. How much ever she says, she can't be left alone. Grandpa gave you her responsibility. Now what will I tell everyone at home? I have no answer. Why do you take up responsibility when you aren't capable? Answer me!
You can say whatever you want to say. I'll accept whatever punishment you give me. But first, please find Sister Nipa from wherever you can.
Listen, I'm going to the parlor. You please stay here. Don't move from here. I can't understand where Nipa went and why. I can't think of anything. Hello? Yeah, Rudra. I was saying, I really need your help. We are in a huge trouble. Yes, please. I'll send you my location. You please come soon. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye.
Oh Lord, how did this disaster strike? How did this happen?
Appa? Hey, Appa, where are you all? See, Animesh and Sushmita are waiting for you all. Appa?
I think they are busy with the last minute finishing touch-up.
What are you talking about? When did you see Aparajita applying heavy makeup?
No, I'm talking about Nipa.
No, I agree with you. Actually, she's quite childish. She loves to deck up and take photos of herself. She's the youngest of this family, hence quite pampered. I don't know what is going to happen after she gets married, but Rajiv, Nanda and you two are there to guide and support her. Or else we would be really worried, you know.
It's true that I will support her. But do you know something? You won't find many people who haven't got scolded by Sushmita.
I'll make Nipa hold her ears and stand. Is that what you think?
Uh-oh. Why are you getting annoyed? See, by now we have understood you very well. No matter what Animesh says, here comes Shri.
All of you are here? Yes, I was looking for you and Aparajita. Where were you? Okay, listen. Please get your sister ready on time. Ratu's grandma has fixed a time for the wedding.
Yes. Samresh, these all things are very serious, you know. I mean, regarding punctuality, Sushmita and her mother-in-law, my mom, both of them are very, very strict.
Don't worry. We will surely follow your mom's instruction. Shri, is Nipa ready? Or did she face any problem regarding her makeup? If that happens, then she will refuse to enter the wedding.
I will go inside and check. Hey, Aparajita.
You seem to be too busy. You are running between both the houses. Listen, do come to our place tomorrow along with me. I'll be waiting for you. During Rajiv's wedding, one of my colleagues from Durgapur had helped me a lot, you know.
Yes, yes. Please don't worry at all. I'll surely be there. First, let the wedding happen without any obstacles.
Ma'am, I just can't understand one thing. A girl made a booking at your parlor for bridal makeup. Then she came here and left without getting the makeup done. And you didn't find it suspicious. I mean, this is not normal makeup. It's bridal makeup. That means something.
Sorry, sir, but I don't understand what you are saying. I mean, if the person who made the booking says that she doesn't want any makeup, then what can we do, sir? Police? I just can't understand anything.
Relax, please don't worry at all. I am actually here to talk to you regarding Srinipa Modak. Please go inside and ask all your staff to wait, especially the one who attended Srinipa. Sid, how all this happened?
It's all because of this girl. Didn't you say that she was very courageous and intelligent? Why did she leave Nipa at the parlor and go somewhere else? Why didn't she insist on going inside the parlor? She had taken up this responsibility.
I admit that I couldn't force Sister Nipa to take me inside. But she told me that I didn't need to wait at the reception for 2 hours. She asked me to go and visit the shop. So I thought that I should go and visit the shop. Since the one from home is going to the shop today and grandfather had instructed the confectioner to make special mihidana.
Oh, right. As if you are the star of Modak Empire. As if the business will be doomed if you don't visit the shop. She's just giving excuses. Have you ever thought what will happen now? Ratul and his family members have reached our place. Rudra, I was saying, what can we do now? I mean, please give me an idea. Did Nipa get into some kind of danger? Bro, you know, Nipa is a kid. I don't know why uncle and aunt are getting her married in the first place.
Sir, please find Sister Nipa. We are running out of time. What are we going to say at home? Please find us, sir.
Listen, don't say a single word. Keep your mouth shut.
Sid, Nipa has left intentionally.
What?
Willingly. I mean, the whole thing was pre-planned.
No. Rudra, there's a mistake. Look, Nipa can't do anything like this. I know her. Actually, you know what? Nipa and Shri have been brought up in a completely different way. They can't do this. There's a mistake.
Look, Sid, Nipa is your sister. So I know that you're not able to see this whole incident quite neutrally. But there is definitely some guy behind all this.
What? No, sir, this isn't possible.
No, Mithai. I deal with all this day and night.